If you're retired or getting close, you've probably felt it. That quiet worry in the pit of your stomach. Markets up, markets down. One political headline and boom, your 401k takes a hit. But here's something you probably haven't heard yet. A former Navy engineer named Bill from Fort Myers, Florida rolled over exactly $512,740 from his traditional IRA into a gold IRA, and he sleeps better than he has in years. I'll tell you why in a minute. But first, let's talk about what's really going on. In March, the US national debt crossed $34.5 trillion. Inflation, while cooled slightly, is still eating away at real purchasing power. The Fed is cornered, raise rates, they choke growth. Lower them, and they risk more inflation. It's a lose-lose. And now, whispers of a recession in late 2025 are growing louder. BlackRock just released a report saying the traditional 60-40 portfolio may no longer provide the same level of protection. So let me ask you this. What if everything you've been told about safe retirement investing is outdated? That's what Bill realized. After watching his retirement shrink in 2022, then barely recover in 2023, he knew one thing. He couldn't afford another roller coaster decade. Not now. So he started looking for a hedge. Not a gimmick, not a get-rich-quick, a hedge. He came across a free gold IRA guide, and what he learned changed everything. Here's the thing most financial advisors won't tell you. Gold doesn't need to skyrocket to protect your wealth. It just needs to stay steady when everything else falls apart. That's exactly what it's done. During the 2008 crash, gold was up while the S&P dropped over 38%. During 2022's inflation-fueled chaos, gold stayed strong while tech stocks got crushed. And now, even central banks are loading up. In 2023 alone, they bought over 1,000 tons of gold, a 55-year record. Why? Because gold isn't a bet, it's insurance. That's what Bill figured out. And here's the best part. He didn't move everything. He rolled over just enough to create real peace of mind. Enough to know that no matter what happens to the dollar, Wall Street, or Washington, his core wealth is safe. And it all started with one simple, no obligation step. He grabbed a free gold IRA guide from the link below. No pushy sales, no free silver gimmicks. Just a fast educational call with a real person who walked him through how it works, and if it was even the right fit. And for Bill, it was. He's now planning a fishing trip with his grandson this summer, instead of refreshing his portfolio every morning. That's what real retirement should feel like. So here's the question. What's your plan if the market drops 20% again? What if inflation sticks around at 4% for the next decade? What's your hedge? If you're 55 or older with at least $100,000 in an IRA or 401k, you owe it to yourself and your legacy to learn your options. Not because someone's trying to scare you, but because you worked too hard to build this nest egg to watch it melt away due to things completely out of your control. Start where Bill did. Click below, get the free guide, and take the 10-minute educational call. There's no pressure, no obligation, just answers. Protect what you've earned, secure what you've built, and sleep like Bill. Click now.